Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by priming tissues and nervous input. Do not rush. Start with a 5-7 minute warm-up, wrist circles, finger swings, and light grip opens/closes to raise blood flow. Next, pick a soft stress ball or therapy putty and perform 3 sets of 10 slow squeezes, holding each squeeze 2 seconds. Once done, add 30 seconds of fingertip push-ups against a wall to recruit intrinsic palm muscles and enhance proprioception before moving to heavier work. You now increase load gradually so tissues adapt safely. Use a medium resistance hand gripper or firmer ball for 3 sets of 8 controlled closes. Focus on full range and steady eccentric release because that builds tendon resilience. After that, perform pinch holds of 10-15 seconds for 3 reps using plates or a wooden block to target lumbricals and adductors. Then, once done, spend about 2 minutes in a rice bucket or textured surface, digging and clenching to train multidirectional palm strength. You finish by restoring mobility and reducing inflammation. Perform 2 minutes of wrist extension and flexion, plus gentle thumb circles to realign fibers and maintain range. Then use contrast care. A 5-7 minute warm soak followed by a cool compress to blunt microtrauma and speed recovery. Make sure to progress weekly by 5-10% in load or reps. If you feel sharp pain or persistent numbness, stop and reduce load by half, and consult a professional to rule out nerve or tendon injury.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.